Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. And so today I wanted to do a nice look with the patrickstarrr one size fit all palette. Do another look because on my last one it was just a review and then I did some other stuff. But I'm so sorry for the banging. Oh my god, my neighbor's upstairs. Anyways, you're gonna be hearing a lot of that during the whole video, so I'm so sorry. Anyway, so if you guys want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so as you see, I primed my I did my eyebrows and I concealed them, I cut them, cleaned them up, everything. So today I wanted to do using this palette, as you can see. I wanted to do a summer look or a soft look. I don't know. I don't know what look I want to start with, but let's give it a try. Let's go for it, you know. So I'm gonna prime my lids with soft ochre from MAC. So I'm gonna use my finger to prime my lids. Sorry if you're hearing some noises. The neighbor upstairs, they're like remodeling their apartment. So I don't know why they're doing that today. They should just do it during the weekday, which they are doing it, but I don't know what put them in the butt to do it today. But anyway, so I'm just priming my lid right now. Alright, so that's that. Hold on, that little corner, I feel like it needs a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so next I'm gonna grab a fluffy brush. I think I'm gonna use the Morphe M330. This one, it looks like this actually. And I'm gonna go in with the color Mango, and I'm just gonna apply it on my crease. You know what, let me take this. By the way, on my last video, I was like so confused with how the palette was designed. I didn't know it was made like that. Like as you can see, it has like, it's like a different type of cut, which is pretty cool and unique, which I like. But yeah, I didn't know that that's how it came. I thought my palette was messed up or something, but it is what it is. We figured it out. So yeah, let's just apply this color on our lids, or on the crease actually. Oh my god. Like really? They want to do that right today. Wow. I'm just gonna keep building the color until we get to where we want it to get. Remember, it's just gonna be like a transition color to the next color that we're going to apply there. Oh my god, I'm so like, it's Sunday. I'm recording Sunday and they wanna be more working on their floors apparently, because I'm on the second floor and they're in the third, and they want to do this right now. Right now. Are you kidding me? Imagine if they heard me. Oopsie daisy. So this is how it should like look. So the next color that I want to use, well, first I'm gonna need my brush. I think I'm gonna go with, no, I don't want that one. Let's see. I think I'm gonna use this brush from Morphe. M433 is this one. It looks like that. A little fluffy, but it's like more like, I guess, taper. So the shade that I want to apply next will be Blunt. I'm just gonna put it right on my crease again on top of that color. I'm just gonna go back and forth with it. I'm not even doing circular motions, just back and forth. This color is pretty cute. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Then with the other brush that I applied Mango, I'm just gonna, you know, buff it up, clean it up, however you want to call it, blend them together nicely. I didn't add no material on the brush. I'm just using it to blend everything together nicely in circular motions. Like that. Okay. And do the same thing to the other eye. Grab some more of the shadow book to apply it right there on my crease. Going back and forth. This part doesn't have to be done neat, because when you go with the other brush to blend everything, it's gonna, you know, blend nicely. Okay, I'm gonna go with this brush and just blend everything nicely together in circular motions. I guess going upwards, so down to your lid, going more close to your eyebrow bone, my bad, bow. So it should be looking like this. Okay, so next, I want to apply on my lid. I want to apply the shadow everything on my lid, but before doing that, for it to be more brighter, even though it doesn't, the shadows only help on making it look brighter and popping more, but I just want to try this, so just, you know, just bear with me. I want to use, let me see, which one do I have? I want to use one of the Stella sticks. But let's see which one goes with it. Is it this one? I think it might be that one. Let's see. Can't be this one, right? Not this one. I'm gonna use the one Rose Gold Retro. And this, I'm gonna apply it on my lid. Things are like dried up already. But whatever, we're still using it, right? So we're gonna do that. So be careful, you have to let it dry, blah blah blah. So while that's drying, we're gonna grab a flat brush to apply that shadow, everything right on top of it. You have to be careful, wait until it dries and then you apply it, because it could pick it up from the lid. You could pick up the shadow. So this one, yeah. I'm using M166, so I want to check. I'm scared that once I press the shadow on it, it's gonna just lift up. So I'm just gonna get it ready. I'm gonna get that shade. Dust any particles off. Let's see if it works. Crossing fingers. Look at that. Beautiful. So that's how it's gonna look. So now we're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Grab some of that rose gold from the Stella, pat it in our lid. Let it dry. Now we're gonna go with the shadow everything and pat it right on top of that one. And that's how it should be looking right now. Okay. So now we're gonna move on to our lower lash line. And for that, we're going to need a smudge brush. Let me see what I have to get. How my lines. Oh, I'm gonna use this one. I believe this is from the It Cosmetics. Yeah, It Cosmetic collection, I guess. I don't know. And we're gonna go in with Booked, and we're gonna go down there on the lower lash line. We're just gonna pat the color in. We're not gonna color this yet. Just wait. Now we're gonna grab, maybe with this one, I'm gonna grab M456, it looks like that. I'm gonna use that to like, smudge it. Oh my god, I hate dealing with my lower lash line, I swear to god, I hate it. It bothered me, but I'm still new it. I'm going to make this look complete. Okay, so in our outer corner, we're gonna use the one called Turban Legend, and we're gonna apply that with the smudge brush again on the outer area right here, all the way to the middle. You don't have to go all the way to your inner corner. Just out there, it should be fine. The M456, we're gonna just pick up a little bit of book and we're gonna just buff that area, that outer area. I had to look on this one, sorry. Why do we have to make these ugly faces when we do this shit? It's so annoying. I hate dealing with my lower lash line. I don't know how many times I'm gonna tell you guys that, but I just hate it. I hate it. Anyways, okay, so that's that for the look. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do our lashes. I'm not gonna do no wing liner, nothing like that, because I want this look to look very wearable. Okay, so let me go get my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I wanted to do my face on camera, like I wanted to do the whole thing on camera, but they were banging so hard. I was like, I'm not even gonna bother. So yeah, I guess next time. Anyways, this is how it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video, hopefully soon. Most likely I'm going to be posting on Sundays or like Mondays, most likely Sundays, because I have a new addition to my life, and that is my puppy Peaches. So I couldn't record Friday because I don't have nobody to watch her. So today my boyfriend's watching her. So yeah, she's a puppy, she's a baby, so she doesn't know, you know, much. So we gotta keep an eye on her. So that's why I'm gonna be posting Sundays now. But anyways, let me go you guys a little bit. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one.